Hey everyone, are you searching for a revamp in your wardrobe? Or are you a fashion enthusiast who's always keeping up with the latest fashion trends? If yes, then you are in the right place. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the 10 fashion essentials that every woman should own. These must-have items will transform your wardrobe, making it stylish, versatile, and ready for any occasion. Let's start with the first essential, a little black dress. The LBD is timeless and can be dressed up or down for any occasion, from a night out to a formal event. The second item is a great pair of jeans that fit you perfectly. The right pair of jeans will flatter your figure and can be dressed up or down. Third on the list is a white button-down shirt. This classic piece is versatile, elegant, and chic. You can wear it to work, a night out, or even a casual weekend brunch. Fourth and fifth are black pumps and nude flats. These two classic pairs of shoes will match any outfit and are perfect for work or a night out with friends. Sixth is a versatile jacket, like a blazer or a moto jacket. This will add a sharp edge to your wardrobe and can be dressed up or down. Next up, a statement accessory like a bold necklace or a pair of earrings is essential to elevate any outfit. Eighth is a crossbody bag that is both stylish and functional. It's perfect for when you are on the go and need to keep your hands free. Ninth is a basic t-shirt in white or black. Pair it with jeans, skirts, or shorts for a casual look. Last but not least, a comfortable and stylish pair of sneakers. These are perfect for running errands or for a casual day out. So there you have it, the 10 fashion essentials that every woman should have in her wardrobe. These items are timeless, versatile, and will elevate your fashion game. We hope this video has been helpful and that you're inspired to incorporate these essentials into your wardrobe. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and turn on the notification bell for daily fashion advice. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.